Welcome to this tutorial on the convert function in Microsoft Excel. Often overlooked, this function is a real gem for unit conversions. It can help you convert between different units of measurement instantly. Using the convert function, you can convert between dozens of units instantly. Let's explore the syntax of the convert function. The function takes three arguments: number from unit and to unit. Number is the value you want to convert. From unit is the current unit of the value. To unit is the unit you want to convert the value to. The syntax is equals to convert, open parenthesis, number, comma, from underscore unit, comma, to underscore unit, close parenthesis. Let's walk through a basic example. To convert 5 kilograms to pounds, you would use the formula equals convert, open parenthesis 5, comma, within quotes, kg, close quotes, comma, within quotes, lbm, close quotes, close parenthesis. This will return 11.02 pounds. For a length conversion, the formula equals convert, open parenthesis 10, comma, within quotes, m, close quotes, comma, within quotes, ft, close quotes, close parenthesis will convert 10 meters to approximately 32.81 feet. The convert function supports a variety of unit categories. Some of the categories are distance, weight, temperature, time, energy, and pressure. For distance, you can use units like meters, feet, inches, kilometers, and miles. For weight, you can use units like kilograms, pounds, grams, ounces, and tons. For temperature, you can use Celsius, Fahrenheit, and Kelvin. For time, you can use seconds, minutes, hours, days, and years. For energy, you can use joules, calories, BTU, and watt-hours. Finally, for pressure, you can use pascals, psi, atmospheres, and bars. Here are a couple of examples for temperature conversions. The formula equals convert, open parenthesis 100, comma, within quotes, capital C, close quotes, comma, within quotes, capital F, close parenthesis will convert 100 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, which equals 212 degrees Fahrenheit. To convert 32 degrees Fahrenheit to Kelvin, use the formula equals convert, open parenthesis 32, comma, within quotes, capital F, close quotes, comma, within quotes, capital K, close parenthesis. The result is 273.15 Kelvin. Here's how you might use the convert function in an Excel table. In cell B2, we have the value 50. In cell C2, we have the formula equals convert, open parenthesis B2, comma, within quotes, kg, close quotes, comma, within quotes, lbm, close parenthesis. The result in cell D2 is 110.23. This converts the value in B2, which is 50 kilograms, to pounds. Similarly, to convert 100 meters to feet, the formula in C3 equals convert, open parenthesis B3, comma, within quotes, m, close quotes, comma, within quotes, ft, close parenthesis. It will output approximately 328.08 feet in cell D3. Lastly, to convert 25 degrees Celsius to Fahrenheit, the formula in C4 equals convert, open parenthesis B4, comma, within quotes, capital C, close quotes, comma, within quotes, capital F, close parenthesis. The result is 77 degrees Fahrenheit in cell D4. Like any Excel function, convert can throw errors if used incorrectly. A common error is the n/a error, which usually means there's an invalid unit abbreviation. Another common error is the value error, which indicates that you're trying to convert between incompatible unit types, like trying to convert meters to kilograms. Here are some pro tips to avoid these errors. Use the exact unit abbreviations as recognized by Excel. Remember that the unit codes are case-sensitive, so make sure you're using the correct capitalization. Ensure that the units you're converting between are of the same category, like length to length or weight to weight. To summarize, the convert function in Excel can handle over 100 unit conversions instantly. It follows a simple syntax: equals convert, open parenthesis, number, comma, from underscore unit, comma, to underscore unit, close parenthesis. Finally, it supports various categories such as weight, distance, temperature, time, energy, and more. Master this hidden gem to boost your Excel productivity. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.